Hi guys, today we will implement Facebook login within our Spring application. So to do that, first we need to hit to start.spring.io. From here you need to download some dependencies. I will pick Maven project, Java, Spring Boot version 2.2.10, and here I will name this com.car and this thing as Facebook login, and we need some dependencies, that is a web one and another is security. We also need another dependency, but we will add in the project. Okay, that's it. I will keep this as Java 8 and generate it. Now open this thing and I will .7-zip extract here, and now import this thing into our Eclipse file, import, and then search for Maven. Pick existing Maven projects. Okay, what has happened? Okay, now go to the directory and click OK. Check this pom.xml, then finish it. It will import all those dependencies project structure here. Okay, now as I in pom.xml we have two dependencies, a web one and security one. We need another dependencies, so search for Spring security OAuth auto configuration Maven or MVN. Now we need this dependency to implement our application with the Facebook login, that is OAuth concept. So I will pick a 2.18 version, copied. Now go to your pom.xml and dependencies. I will add this thing. That's it. These three dependencies we need. This is a Spring Boot project. Let the workspace build. So now here in our Spring Boot class, the main class, we need not to do nothing. Just first you have to annotate enable OAuth to SSO. Just implement this thing. Okay, now then the next step is come to your application.properties file, rename. Now it will convert that thing dot properties to YAML. Now get this piece of code, copy this thing and paste it in YAML. This code will be available on my GitHub repository, so I will be leaving link for that in video description, so you can copy this code and paste into your project and play around. So here is the Facebook logins implementation code. Just you need to edit only two things and leave rest of the things as it is. What we have to change is this client ID and client secret. Just we need to configure these two things. what we have to do is, first you need to go to Facebook. Now here hit developers.facebook.com. first login. After login, hit the same URL with this apps in URL, because without login this apps URL won't open. First login into developers.facebook.com, then hit this apps, then this page will appear. Now what you have to do is create app. In create app, you prefer anything if you want, but I will prefer here for everything else. So this will be your app's name, what you are going to do. I will keep it simple, and the rest of the thing leave it as it is. Create app ID. Verify. Okay, then it will ask for something, all these things. Don't do this, all this nonsense. Come here, set settings, in basics. This is your app ID, which you need to copy here and paste it in client ID. Okay, now this is your app secret. You need to copy this thing and paste it in client secret. So before show, you must enter your password. Okay, now it will allow to take this secret code and paste it and save it. Now that's it. You have to do only two things. That is, in our Spring Boot app, you need to enable OAuth, and in application.yaml file, you need to copy and paste this code and edit only those two fields here. That's it, guys. Now when you run this code, you will be authenticated using Facebook's login. So I will just create a HTML file, because after login you need to display something. So I will create a simple HTML file. I will name this as index.html, and in body I will just keep a simple text. Spring Boot app, run a Spring Boot app. Now its server is getting on. Started on localhost. So when you hit here, so come here, now hit localhost 808080. Yes, now it will say omkar.com will receive your name and profile picture. This is the app what we created. So this is the implementation of a Facebook login. So when you click continue as Omkar, now it will redirect to our application what we built here. Continue as Omkar. So this is authenticating using your Facebook login, and that's it, what we have defined in our application. It has appeared here. That is, this is a simple thing, doing authorization using OAuth. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.